Welcome to Wichita Bowlers. We are excited to have you in our city for the 100th anniversary of the USBC Women's Championships. While you're here in Wichita, here are some of the most exciting events happening. Right now, the gardens at Botanica are in their spring bloom. This award-winning garden has several walking paths to stop and smell the roses. The Old Cowtown Museum is a must-visit location, and on April 27th, they will be holding a large-scale Civil War reenactment that you have to see. The Wichita Grand Opera will have a performance on April 27th of Bizet's Carmen, and right now is the best time to see the Keeper of the Plains. This 44-foot tall monument is known around the world for its beauty, and if you wait until dark, it's illuminated by fire. And while you're here, be sure to use our free public transportation service, the Q Line Trolley. It will take you to all the hottest places in Wichita for no cost. We hope you have a great time here in Wichita, and if you have any questions about our city, be sure to reach out to Visit Wichita on social media. We'll be happy to help. We hope you enjoy the tournament and bowl well.